Model, 2012 Ford Transit T352.2 TDCi rear-wheel drive tipper MOT'D. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 150313. MOT, 3 May 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCi-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered, turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Tipper is in full working order. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.